try a scaling text animation now. For that, create a text layer and tap Animate, then select Scale. Here set scale value 0. Now open Range Selector and go to first second, then change offset value to 100 and add keyframe for offset. Change time indicator to 0, then change offset value to 0. Here we have the scaling text animation. Let's try typing animation too. For that, go to Effects and Presets and type for typewriter. Now add this effect to our text. You can change speed value by changing keyframes position. Select these two keyframes and tap F9 for Make Easy Ease. Now go to Advanced and change smoothness value to 100 or as you want. Hoping to see you again. Goodbye.